To make payments on Credit Karma. Start by understanding that Credit Karma is a free online service that allows users to monitor their credit scores, report, and provides tools to manage debt. It does not directly accept payments for credit cards or loans, but it can guide you on how to make payments to your creditors. First, sign in to your Credit Karma account to view your credit report and the debts listed. This will help you identify which debts need to be paid. Look for the debts with upcoming payment due dates and prioritize those. Next, click on the debt you want to pay and look for the payment information section. Credit Karma will provide you with the creditor's name, account number, and payment address. You can use this information to make a payment directly to the creditor. To make a payment, go to the creditor's website or mobile app and log into your account. If you do not have an online account, you can create one or contact the creditor's customer service to make a payment over the phone. You can also pay by mail by sending a check to the payment address listed on your credit report. When making a payment, ensure you have the correct account number and payment amount to avoid any errors. It is also essential to make payments on time to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. In addition to making payments, Credit Karma provides tools to help you manage your debt, such as the Debt Repayment Calculator and the Credit Score Simulator. These tools can help you create a plan to pay off your debt and improve your credit score over time. By following these steps and using the tools provided by Credit Karma, you can make payments to your creditors and work towards improving your financial health. Remember to always make payments on time and keep track of your credit report to ensure it is accurate and up to date.